Hey everybody, it's Dave H. at jambonz.org. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to spin up your own Jambonz cluster on AWS using an AWS subscription that we've got. So if you go into the AWS Marketplace and you simply search for Jambonz, you will come to a subscription offering that's labeled a Jambonz mini system. So this is a single instance, very low cost, great system for getting started. You can run it in your own AWS infrastructure. If you go ahead and click that, you can browse some information about the subscription. You can estimate your pricing and your costs by selecting the region and the type that you want, and then you can go ahead, if you're happy, and subscribe. It's fairly low cost. There is no markup on the per hour charge. There's a simple monthly minimum of $18. Simply monthly fixed cost of $18, no matter how many instances you spin up. Once you go ahead and do it, it will then start processing your subscription. This takes a while, so I'm going to speed through it a little bit. And when you're done, you continue to the configuration. Here's where you choose which region you want to run in. In my case, I'm going to spin it up in London. All the AWS regions are there, so you can spin it up in the region of your choice. And when you have done that, then you can continue to launch. There's some usage instructions on this page which are useful to take a quick look at and maybe copy off. Basically, it just tells you how where the portal will be and how to sign into the portal once you've launched the instance. Then go to Launch CloudFormation, click Launch, and that will take you into the CloudFormation panel. You've got a CloudFormation template that's ready to run, so you're just going to click Next. You do need to specify some parameters. You want to specify the IP addresses that you want to allow traffic in. I'm going to allow traffic in from all IPs, but you can lock things down. So there's the portal traffic. SIP and RTP, probably you do want to come in from everything. SSH, maybe you want to lock that down to your own server. Then you pick the instance size that you want and the key pair for the region. Oops, I forgot to give it a stack name, so do that. And basically you're done. At that point you click Next. On this page there's nothing in particular that you need to change, so you click Next. Have a chance to review the settings. And then go ahead and launch CloudFormation and go ahead and create our instance. Now this again takes a little while, so I'm going to speed through it. When it's done, you're going to want to look at the Outputs section, because that will tell you the URL of the portal, and it will tell you the username and the password to use to log into the portal for the first time. The username will be admin, but the password is going to be generated. It's actually going to be the host ID of the machine. So you'll need that to log in. There it is. It's created, so I can see the IP address, I can see the username and the password. Copy those off. Now, bit of warning, the very first time it spins up, if you try to log right into the portal, you may get this 502 bad gateway. There are some user data scripts that have to complete that very first time to seed the database. If you get that 502, simply wait 2, 3, 5 minutes and then log in again. Use the username that you got and the password that you got in that output section and you're logged in. It'll force you to change that password the first time to a password of your choosing. Log in, and there you are. You've got a brand new Jambonz system all set up for you with a default account, a default service provider, a couple of test applications, and you're good to go. Well, that's all for now. As usual, ping me at daveh@jambonz.org with any questions. Thanks a bunch, and have a great day.